puppies that want to be a part of your family. This is Jackson. Jackson is a little boy. He has light brown fur. He has a cute little white line going down his nose. He has little white, almost mittens on his paws that are so cute. He's so calm and he's very, very soft. And so, if you want to adopt Jackson, make sure to call the number at the end of this video. This is Bo. Cute little guy. He's so sweet. Very calm. He's white and he has little floppy ears. He has really pretty eyes and it's so cute. Little wagging tail. And if you want to adopt Bo, make sure to call the number at the end. Say bye. This is Liam. It's another little boy. He's so cute. He looks like a little polar bear. He also has these very cute brown spots on his back, and his tail has a white little tip on it. So cute. His little floppy ears again. So if you want to adopt Liam, make sure to call the number at the end of this video again. This is Lucas. Lucas is so cute. Lucas is another boy and he's so cute. He has kind of some paler tones to his face, but he's mostly white all over. He's so cute, he's a little big boy, and his little floppy ears again and everything, and the beautiful eyes. And if you want to adopt Lucas, make sure to call the number at the end of this video. This is Claire. Claire is a girl, and she has cute little pink nose. And she has a cute little, like, white hourglass on her face with the black more around it, and she has a brown, but she also has little splotches of white kind of more towards her head and her feet. She's so cute. So tiny. Little floppy ears again. And so if you want to adopt Claire, again, make sure to call the phone number at the end of the video. This is Bila. Say hi, Bila. Bila's a little girl, and she has the cute little face again, where it kind of has the white kind of exclamation point hourglass line, and she has very pretty eyes. She's a little spotted nose and the floppy ears, and she again kind of has some white around her head too. She's so cute, and some white paws and everything. So sweet. And so if you want to adopt Viola, make sure to call the number that'll be at the end of this video. This is Mackenzie. Mackenzie is another little girl, and she also has cute little perky ears. And she's mostly white, but she also has these beautiful light brown spots on the back. She also has a little cute dotted tail. And she's very cute and quiet, and she's very, very soft and fluffy. And so if you want to adopt Mackenzie, call the number at the end of the video. Say bye. Say bye. Well, that's it for the end of Puppy Palooza. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to call so that you puppies into your home?